Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I approach and handle dogs trying to intercept me as I'm riding my motorcycle. This is a great tip for new riders especially. Just last month I was riding solo and had two dogs try to intercept me to chase me while I was going down a highway. We're going to use that video from the incident to talk about what dogs do and how you can try to approach those situations in the safest manner possible. Are you familiar with the term prey drive? It's an instinct that many dogs have to chase and capture prey. It's prevalent especially in many working dogs like blue heelers and border collies. Many dogs are just looking to chase you because they see you as prey. If you take the chase away from them, they lose interest. If I'm riding solo and I see a dog trying to intercept me, I'll slow down as much as I can depending on the traffic conditions. Maybe even bringing the bike to a complete stop if necessary. Usually the dog is looking to intercept you and takes off at a pace to do so. By slowing down, you're forcing him to slow down also on his intercept path. In some cases, then you can simply roll back into the throttle real quick and reel past him before he gets close to you. This is going to be a judgment call that you will have to make based on the situation. Often I'll yell loudly at the dog in a firm voice, something like "get home" or "go on." Many times this will cause them to pause as if to interpret the words and see if it's a command they know or should follow. And that pause will be enough to allow you to safely motor on past them. In this video, I have two dogs looking to intercept me. They were coming at me more from in front than from beside me, which makes avoiding them even more difficult. I was on a rural highway out in the country, and I knew these were working cattle dogs as I know the house they're coming from, and they have a good-sized cattle operation at that place. I'm going to slow this video down to 40%, and you will see that I chose to slow down and came to almost a complete stop. Because of this, the dog in front got to the intercept point before I did. Then he really wasn't sure what to do now that he couldn't chase me. I honked my horn and he moved to one side and barked and kind of positioned himself like he might try and bite me as I came by. But I really wasn't worried about that as much as him getting underneath the wheel and causing me to go down. Once I had my front tire past him, I rolled on the throttle. He was still several feet away and was trying to gauge what to do. If he was a truly aggressive dog and looking to bite me, I think he would have came at me a lot harder and not paused to see what I was going to do. This is probably the closest encounter I've had with a dog trying to intercept me. I mean, there was two, not just one. It was a little bigger concern than normal. I've seen dogs watching as if to consider intercepting us when I was leading a group of riders. And I would always use hand signals to warn the group to slow down first, and then point the dog to make the riders aware of the potential danger. How you react when you're in a group is obviously going to be a judgment call, and you're just going to have to do the best you can in that situation. Hopefully this will help you know how to react if you're confronted by dogs in a similar situation. Personally, I'd rather risk getting bit than hitting a dog at 50+ miles an hour. If you disagree, just search YouTube for motorcycle versus dog and see if that video doesn't change your mind. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do the YouTube thing, then subscribe to see more videos like this and hit the bell to be notified when I drop a new video. If you think this video could help someone else, please share it. Thanks, be safe, and keep on riding.